All right, you Ford guys, Dave, Wags Automotive, Kissimmee, Mecum auction. Here you go. Look at that. Ain't that a beauty? Trying to get it all in here. Wow. I bet those are Kelsey Hayes wheels. 57 Thunderbird. 312 engine. Take a look at that engine real quick. Check it out. Beautiful. All right, let's see what she says here. Estimate 80 to 100,000. New paint in 2012, 312. Original engine dress-up kit. Amazing. Power brakes, power steering. Odometer reads 30,595 miles. That's pretty cool. She's got the top down. I'm not sure what color this is. You guys tell me if you know what color it is. You don't have to look at the back because there ain't no back. These were famous with the movie stars back in the day. There's your speedometer with the odometer, if you can see that. There's the 3. And they got an aftermarket stereo in it. Pretty fancy. 4 shifter. Got the fender skirts. There you go. Beautiful. All right, get the passenger side here. There we go.
Yes, that's it.
Here's the passenger side engine compartment. Sorry, there was people talking. I didn't want to interrupt them. There you go. Something you guys may not know about me. I actually restored one of these one time for a guy. It was red. That's a 56 though, I believe. Had the smaller, I think 290 engine in it. But it turned out to be a beautiful car too. All right, there you go, 57 T-Bird. Talk to you later.